my name is Joseph, and this is my submission for the week 3 um, character controllers assignment. So what we have here is like I have a red and a blue character. So I'm gonna check them in the scene view. This red character, I give them the tag tank or like the like value tank, and you can control their movement speed and rotation speed. So this one uses tank controls, while this one is on strafe, so it'll only be able to move in the forward direction. So like before we start playing the this game is just basically like I'm thinking like maybe this is like a goalie, this is like a player with like a bat right here. So like maybe this character is like a player they want to like move around and hit the ball, but this one's like a goalie, so like their movement's more restricted. So I'm thinking like okay, that would be perfect for strafe, and this would be perfect, not perfect, but you could do something like this for tank, right? So I'm gonna put the play. And right now I have them binded to WASD and arrow keys. So I'm pressing arrow keys right now. You can see their goalie, he's really slow right now, but we can come up and then slap the ball a little bit and push it around. We have this bound so it doesn't fall off the map. I can up the speed over here. Rotation speed doesn't do anything for the strafe class or strafe character. So I'm between here. It's kind of buggy, but they're able to move faster. You kind of go with the finesse though. Have to figure out how to make it stop, like pushing in like that. But so that's for the strafe character, and I'm using the WASD controls. So I have this forward rectangle, no collision, because this is just to show like where it's facing, so you don't get kind of mixed up. But I'm gonna come up here and just like slap the ball around. Maybe the goalie's like trying to block it, push it away, and then I can come back, boom, twist it like that. So let's inspect the code. So the code is nothing crazy. Actually, I don't even need this part of it. This RB, this rigid body, it's actually kind of unnecessary. But here it is. I have this enumerator, enums, just to show like the different types. Say if I wanted to add more, I could just add another type and then add it to like this these if statements to make them like differentiate between the two. And then I have this just for the enums right here. And then I have the movement speed and the rotation speed. You can just change it. And then I have a vector of 3 just ready to start here. I'm just leaving it empty because we update it every second in the update function. So for look direction, it takes the transform, it takes the forward vector of the transform, and it's just doing every frame. And then you can see here in our movement for the tank value. So W and S, it simply just takes the position, or it gets the transform position and adds in the direction, or subtracts from the direction, times movement speed times delta. And then I use the rotate function here, just negativity it, and then normal it for the other rotations, right? So that's for tank controls. For strafe controls, I just take the movement speed and delta for a movement multiplier, and then I just use the transform vectors. And since transform dot backwards or left doesn't exist, I just took dot forward and then subtracted it, dot right, and then subtracted it. And so this is where we get our strafe controls. Really basic, but that's it for this submission.